Hey everyone, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to create your recording assignment. If you aren't following these directions step by step, it's not going to work. So make sure you're listening, okay? And you're walking through these steps with me. Now I realize you're already on your iPad, most of you, so this may be hard to do. So you either need to write it down or need to pause the video and do it as I do it. So the first thing I need you to do is go into your iPad and click Settings. Okay, it's the gear. Okay, so I'll give you a second to get to settings. Okay, the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down to Control Center. Okay, so please hit Control Center. Okay, now you're going to go to Customize Controls. Okay, so you're going to see a list of things at the top that already exist and things at the bottom that aren't that you can add. Now, I've already added it, but I'll go ahead and undo it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to look at More Controls, and you're going to go down where it says Screen Recording. Okay, you're going to click the plus. Now you'll notice that screen recording went up to here. Okay, so let's go back. Okay, the first thing I did was I hit settings. The second thing I did, so I went settings, control center, customize controls, and then I added screen recording, so it's up here. So you press the plus and add it up here. That's the first step you need, okay? It's very important that you get that done, okay? Now, we're gonna get into the actual recording. So I will have videos uploaded for you for your specific part that you are recording, okay? So I'm gonna go into Classroom, okay? And I'm just gonna pick a class, okay? So I'm gonna say, okay, part 1, 6th grade, pure imagination. Okay, so I just picked a video. I'm gonna pause it. Now, here's how you record your voice with the video. This is very important, okay? What we did when we went in settings is we added something in the swipe down. So you're gonna swipe down like this. Now, there's been something new that's added for most of you. It's this circle with a dot. You're gonna wanna press it down, hold, and see where it says microphone off, okay? You need to click that so it goes to on. Okay, so when you're ready and you've practiced, you're gonna scroll down, hit the circle with the circle in the middle, make sure your microphone is on. Now you're gonna say, I'm ready to start recording, okay? So I'm gonna hit start recording, and it's gonna give me a countdown, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now it's recording me, and you can tell that because there's that red recording button. So now I'm going to play the video, but I'm also going to sing over the top of it, and so you should be able to hear your voice while playing the video. Okay, so once you've sang through everything you need to, and will be, I'm singing and I did my recording test. Great. As soon as I'm done, I'm going to go back to the top and hit the record button. And I'm going to hit stop recording. Once I hit stop, then my recording has finished. It says screen recording video saved to photos, okay? So now when I go look in my photos, it should be there. Oh, I see. Here's my 37-second video that I made. Okay, so that is how you get to it. Once you find your video, the thing that we found works best is if you upload it to Drive before Classroom. Sometimes Classroom slows things down, okay, but you can try either way. So I'm gonna go hit, okay, does that make sense? So that's how you're going to submit it to Classroom. Okay, so your first step is go to settings and make sure that screencast button that you're adding. And then the second step is to go to your video, scroll down, hit and hold the record button, wait till it says microphone on, click it, and then you're gonna start recording your video, okay? I know that's a lot of information. Make sure if you have questions and you're doing this and it doesn't work the first time, please rewatch this video one more time before emailing me. I will totally help you if you need help. But I'm gonna ask you if you've done all those steps first, okay? So you're gonna have 2 days to get this done, Thursday and Friday, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. I'm singing with you in all the videos, so it shouldn't feel like you're singing by yourself, okay? All right, good luck. I hope this works out for everyone. Let me know if you have questions. All right, bye guys.